Obviously, all the airlines were trying to push back against this regulation.
Indigo Airlines is the Amazon of airlines.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Patriot Pair podcast, where we present our views on the raging issues, from geopolitics to culture and everything in between. So, let's get into today's topic. रशिया के प्रेसिडेंट पुतिन वाज इन टाउन एंड ऑब्वियसली फॉरेन लीडर आए हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ तो सम chaos had to happen and right on point something did happen. It actually started with a lot of GPS spamming that was going on multiple airports and उसकी वजह से ATC was finding it difficult to get planes to land. वहाँ पे काफी problematic हो चुकी थी already situation.
Few moments later.
Indigo का पूरा fiasco happened and everything was thrown into utter chaos.
And of course, लोगों के पैसे गए हैं और सर्विसेज नहीं मिल रही तो yes, the outcry began.
Within a single day, सिर्फ 5th December को over 1,000 flights across India got cancelled by Indigo and it has only continued. The thing is, everyone was suddenly thrown into shock कि एकदम से क्या हो गया ऐसा that Indigo, which is the majority shareholder in the domestic airline market in India,
Over 60%.
and constant cancellations हो रहे हैं, सब कुछ हो रहा है. The passengers were in disarray.
This seems to be a trickle-down effect of the new regulation.
2024 जून में एक नया रेगुलेशन पास किया गया था विच वॉज फ्लाइट ड्यूटी टाइम लिमिटेशन यानी कि FDTL, जो पायलट का रेस्ट पीरियड इंक्रीज करता है एंड नाइट शिफ्ट्स को रिड्यूस करता है.
Which is understandable because nobody wants कि एक पायलट जो कि इतनी सारी लाइव्स को अपने हाथ में लेके चल रहा है वो थका हुआ हो ड्यूरिंग हिज क्रिटिकल पॉइंट ऑफ ऑपरेशन. इस रेगुलेशन पे सभी एयरलाइंस ने पुशबैक करा एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ये रेगुलेशन फाइनली इस साल में इंप्लीमेंट हुआ है.
एंड इसका फर्स्ट फेज गॉट एग्जीक्यूटेड जुलाई 1 ऑनवर्ड्स, जिसमें इंडिगो इंक्लूडिंग अदर एयरलाइंस फेयर्ड वेल. उन्होंने फुल रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं लगाए थे, एक समवॉट मिडिल ग्राउंड सो दैट एयरलाइंस आल्सो कैन फेज इन दिस ट्रांजिशन. ऑब्वियसली
इंट्रोडक्टरी फेज था वो.
तो वो हुआ एंड वेल एवरीवन somehow managed.
बट फॉर सम रीजन फेज 2 के टाइम पे आई डोंट नो व्हाट इंडिगो एयरलाइन थॉट स्पेसिफिकली कि उन्हें अंडरस्टैंडेबली सबसे बड़ा मार्केट शेयर होते हुए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा रिलैक्सेशंस मिलेंगे, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे. वेल, वी ऑल नो द रिजल्ट.
Because of lack of staff and a lot of other issues, पूरा ये situation develop होते होते it got to this eventual point जहाँ दिसंबर में the whole Indigo का mechanism crashed and en masse cancellations हुए हैं. Passengers were stranded all across India and well, it was just utter chaos. सब लोग सिर्फ घूमने के लिए फ्लाइट नहीं पकड़ते हैं. There were a lot of people who were required to be in some place for actual necessities and they were stuck.
A lot of people lost their baggage. A lot of people were just stranded because a lot of technical issues also came up in Indigo Airlines. And सबसे बड़ा इसमें जो फैक्टर है is understaffing, overworking of employees and massive unpreparedness for the upcoming regulation, जिसके बारे में ऑलरेडी पता था.
The core issue was essentially Indigo को already पता था कि this regulation is coming into action. उन्होंने अपना typical जो उनका आज तक चलता आया है system of very lean staffing, that is exactly जितना required है. The employees are overworked to the limit, to the T. And जब obviously आप उनके work hours को limit कर दोगे, you cannot re-enlist those employees to work over and over and over again, जैसा Indigo apparently करता आया था. The moment that restriction kicked in, you don't have enough staff and they did not take proper steps कि वो actually नए लोग hire करे to make up for the gaps in their system.
Indigo Airlines is the Amazon of airlines, which is much more risky when you consider Amazon is delivering packages. They're delivering people by air.
Yeah.
लेकिन considering Indigo Airlines does hold a massive market share, they're the biggest domestic airlines for India with a market share of over 60%. So obviously, if they go down, if they have issues, all of India faces issues.
And essentially उसकी वजह से DGCA stepped in and tried to throw them a rope कि obviously बहुत बड़ा chunk of the population was being affected by Indigo का fiasco. तो well, something needed to be done.
A quick fix. Therefore, Indigo Airlines को day 2 पे इस रेगुलेशन से थोड़ा सा एक रिलैक्सेशन दिया गया.
They remove the critical bits of limitation on work hours and the night shift wala regulation जो है, which I think are the two very important bits of that. ये होते ही, however, the pilot union obviously was in absolute furor, and aside from that, everyone online started protesting against this specific rollback क्योंकि it reeked of absolute double standards, and some people also claimed collusion. क्योंकि DGCA जितनी जल्दी इंडिगो की हेल्प के लिए उतरा मैदान में, that was very shady as per
सबसे
some
बड़ा
people.
फैक्टर पता है इसमें एक्चुअली क्या था? Till this regulation was actually implemented, people weren't really aware कि pilots कितने थके हुए चला रहे हैं. People weren't really aware of the risk that they're facing in the air. Suddenly they became aware, and now they were told that hey, you want to go home? You're gonna have to face those risks.
And the pilots were also being harassed. I mean, that's absolutely अपना एक सिस्टम आपने सेट करा. You're telling your employees something and then you're like, hey, well, how about you work down to the bone? And कोई भी ये नहीं करना चाहता है चाहे कितने भी पैसे मिले उस जॉब के. There is a line everyone will draw at a certain point कि हाँ इस लेवल से ऊपर काम नहीं करना, which especially is not safe for everyone involved in this situation. उस plane का pilot, उस plane के passengers is not good for anybody. But well, that's why DGCA का ये move absolutely went down in shambles, and it was called out by everyone. But again, temporary measures, something needed to be done. This was their go-to, which with all these en masse cancellations, Indigo ने promise किया कि 5 से 15 दिसंबर के बीच में जो भी flight cancellation की वजह से लोगों को problem आएगी, उन सब की tickets का full refund किया जाएगा. But let's see how well they fare on that, because a lot of companies have gone through this refund दे देंगे वाला phase, but not everyone stands up to that.
Regarding the refunds, the government has also implemented passenger compensation regulations under DGCA's CAR Section 3 Series M Part 4. Airlines must compensate passengers 5,000 to 10,000 rupees depending on flight duration if cancellations are not announced at least 2 weeks in advance.
So technically, Indigo कोई बड़े मन से नहीं कर रहा है. It is all part of the compliance, which they are being held to the tune of a few crores.
And this compliance is very good for us, the passengers, especially because it goes much further regarding these refunds. For delays exceeding 6 hours, passengers may refuse alternate arrangements and claim full refunds with meals and refreshments provided during waits.
Obviously, all the airlines were trying to push back against this regulation because, well, you can clearly see जब उनके अगेंस्ट इतना सारा रिस्ट्रिक्शन किया जा रहा है, कीपिंग देम इन लाइन अगेंस्ट देयर नेफेरियस एंड शॉडी प्रैक्टिसेस, तो ऑब्वियसली सब एयरलाइंस को लग रहा था कि बेस्ट दैट दिस डज नॉट हैपन, बट इट डिड हैपन. इट गॉट इम्प्लीमेंटेड, एंड इंडिगो का इसीलिए बुरा हाल हुआ बिकॉज दे आर अ मेजॉरिटी कंपनी, एंड ऑब्वियसली दे थॉट
क्या ही कर लेंगे,
cut corners and stuff, I guess. Now, considering obviously Indigo being majority player in the domestic airlines market, जब इतनी सारी flights cancel हुई, other airlines tried to step into the fore and उन्होंने बहुत बढ़ा के obviously rates पे अपना tickets बेचने शुरू कर दिए, which technically देखो simple supply and demand समझते हुए logical. There are less flights available, a lot of passengers. Obviously सब airlines rate बढ़ा के बेचना चाह रहे थे tickets, but बहुत predatory vibe आ रहा था कि everyone's just trying to swoop in and make big profits. तो DGCA ने एक regulation pass किया that would limit the prices of tickets per number of kilometers कितना है, like 0 to 300 and so on and so forth.
Price cap.
Exactly. And that price cap was set in a somewhat fair manner. I won't say कि बहुत कम था from the usual thing. They were just increasing it far and wide.
And far and wide, I don't think covers it. Because after this regulation, Indigo continued to flout this and sell tickets while their flights were being cancelled. While their
Exactly. They are the people who are the culprit behind this whole fiasco.
And they were still selling tickets at a markup of 35 to 40%. While their flights are grounded, while they cannot fly, they're still selling tickets.
Again, the people that have caused this whole situation. ये absolute जो मतलब खिचड़ी बनी हुई है।
इन्होंने ही करा है और यही पैसा बना रहे हैं उससे।
हाँ, they've gone actively against
जब
DGCA
पता
का
है।
लिमिटेशन। अरे अब तो लिमिटेशन भी दे दिया है। इट इज नॉट
नहीं,
जस्ट
और इन्हें ये पता है कि इनकी फ्लाइट नहीं उड़नी, पर इसका टिकट बेच देंगे।
इंडिगो स्पेसिफिकली को थोड़ी शर्म खानी चाहिए। अगर ये कोई भी और एयरलाइंस कर रही होती तो आई वुड अंडरस्टैंड, फ्लाउटिंग इन स्पाइट ऑफ प्राइस कैप कोई भी और एयरलाइन करती है आई वुड बी ओके। इंडिगो जिसकी वजह से ये सारी सिचुएशन हुई है, वो कंपनी इतनी बेशरम है कि वो अब भी नोट छापने पे ही लगे हुए हैं इन स्पाइट ऑफ अ प्राइस कैप। उनको अगर प्राइस कैप नहीं भी होता तो भी नहीं करना चाहिए था। आउट ऑफ शेम, आउट ऑफ शेयर शेम।
उन्हें तो वैसे ही बाउ डाउन कर जाना चाहिए कि सॉरी, वी आउट।
हाँ भाई, तुम मतलब श्योर यू आर अ मेजॉरिटी प्लेयर व्हाटएवर एंड व्हाट द हेक नॉट,
यूजिंग देयर पोजीशन टू द मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट दैट दे कैन डिराइव आउट ऑफ इट।
yes, this is them making the most use that they can of being some sort of a monopoly.
Never let a crisis go to waste.
Exactly, but the problem is they've created the crisis.
Yes.
And now who knows, ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि क्राइसिस भी खुद ही क्रिएट करके अब उसी के बेसिस पे पैसे और बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
As some people said, collusion.
आई वुड बिलीव दैट, बट उन लोगों का स्टॉक गिर गया तो अगर किसी का ये एक्चुअल प्लान था तो इट्स बैकफायरिंग रियली बैड।
The DGCA had issued a show cause notice to the CEO of Indigo Airlines for all of this fiasco.
पीटर एल्बर्स को ये रिस्पॉन्ड करने के लिए कहा गया था विद इन 24 आवर्स, पेंडिंग विच रेगुलेटरी एक्शन लिया जाता इंडिगो के अगेंस्ट। बट सीईओ ने एक पब्लिक अपॉलॉजी इशू करा ऑन सोशल मीडिया विच रिंग्स वेरी हॉलो फ्रैंकली, पर मतलब वो कुछ नाक बचाने के लिए, एंड सिंस शो कॉज नोटिस ऑलरेडी इशू हो चुका था तो ही जस्ट मेड अ फेस सेविंग अपॉलॉजी।
We've let you down when a major operational disruption happens, and we're sorry for that.
मिनिस्टर ऑफ एविएशन के राममोहन नायडू ने राज्यसभा में कहा है कि विद दिस सिचुएशन एंड इंडिगो का जो बिहेवियर रहा है बिफोर द रेगुलेशन, आफ्टर रेगुलेशन एंड स्पेशली विद द प्राइस कैप, ही हैज सेड दैट देयर नीड्स टू बी स्ट्रिक्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड एक प्रॉपर कमेटी बिठाई जाएगी इस चीज में लुक इनटू करने के लिए कि यहाँ पे हुआ क्या एग्जैक्टली एंड व्हाई दे थॉट दे कुड गेट अवे विद दिस। And he has specifically said that it is not just about punishing Indigo Airlines, it is also about setting an example, making an example out of them for the whole of the aviation industry.
The potential causes are very simple for all of this. The commies are gonna cry, capitalism, boo-hoo. But even the capitalist, the free market people, and all the other sane people don't want monopoly. And if you hold over 60% of the market share, if you going down causes the whole market to crash.
And you're going that unchallenged, essentially. That is the problem. They went unchallenged. They knew they had the hold over the market, and that is why they even felt कि ये जो भी पूरा नया regulation है, what not, they can get away with not making the arrangements कि इसके लिए एक्चुअली अपनी कंपनी में और 4 लोग हायर कर लो, कुछ ढंग का सिस्टम कर लो। नहीं नहीं नहीं, they were so comfortable in their line of thought that they'll just get away with it because, well, that's
Before the commies start crying, this only happens in capitalism and now, boo-hoo. This happens literally every single time in communism. Why? Because there's only one alternative. Which one? The
that's
one
not
that
called
government...
an alternative. That's just called a
Yes.
option. The
Yes.
sole option.
Because communism. Well, that's one of the issues. Because they control so much of the market share. Secondly, इनकी practices. मतलब ethical के नाम पे जो इन्होंने
They were towing the line as much as they could till the limits that they could.
As I said, Amazon of the air. मतलब इन्होंने पायलट हायर करे या खरीदे हैं?
हाँ, मतलब ऐसे बिल्कुल बंधवा मजदूरी से करवा रहे हैं ये तो।
ये पायलट मतलब इंडिगो के पायलट सोच के अब मुझे बैक इन द डे की वो स्लेव मूवीज की स्लेव शिप्स याद आती हैं जिसमें वो कोड़े मार के वो चला रहे हैं
हाँ, चप्पू।
शिप्स।
I feel so bad.
I feel bad for you if you're an Indigo pilot. Sorry, buddy.
Frankly, it's also like just Indigo is giving very British vibes.
Yes.
The last time there was
I mean, the name also.
I know, right? That's so on point. Indigo. We had a big protest about Indigo before independence. I think a lot of you would know about it. The question remains, ऐसा क्या करेंगे अब that this situation does not arise again and monopolies like Indigo do not get into this comfort zone कि हमारा तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला. And for that, by the way, the government has taken a few good steps. One of the first, obviously, was this regulation जो last year introduced हुआ and finally इस साल implement हुआ, which brought down a lot of safety standards, which are very necessary. Currently, the government is looking into expanding the airlines market such that अभी जो एक sort of barrier to entry है, उसको तोड़ने का एक तरीका, so that there is a lot more competition, free market encourage हो, and automatically the prices of domestic airlines and the standards of domestic airlines will be improved. क्योंकि as we have seen so many times, a lot of international flights के prices are cheaper than अपना domestic flights.
And the plan of the government is to do all of this with keeping safety first.
Yes, safety regulations are going to be strict and necessary, but there is strong encouragement for FDI. There is strong encouragement because अभी फिलहाल airlines market there is a lot of demand and obviously एक proper market gap है which needs to be filled, and the government is trying to encourage it with good policies such that more players can get into it and actually create good competition.
And the government is also encouraging employment in this sector because there is a massive labor gap in this aviation sector.
Exactly, that is another problematic thing कि अभी जहाँ पे job है वहाँ पे supply करने के लिए we do not have enough skilled labor
Enough
for that
pilots,
specific.
enough crew members, all of that.
There have been strong liberalization efforts such that FDI again increase हो, and obviously it will expand the market. Aside from that, यहाँ पे भी मेक इन इंडिया को काफ़ी encouragement दिया जा रहा है on different spheres in this sector. इंडिया में employment increase हो, इंडिया में competition healthy हो, कि एयरलाइंस की ये जो मोनोपोली का सेटअप है that can be finally broken and we can get to good airline standards.
Now all that's needed is do the same thing with Jio and Airtel.
Fingers crossed.
If you like the video and if you agree with us or if you disagree with us or if you just want to say hi, do make sure to make it to the comment section, do like, share and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time.